Hi everyone, welcome to my channel Lipstick Amour. My name is Jyoti, and if you have subscribed already, thank you. So today I got my BoxyCharm for the first time. Yes, I did it. I subscribed. I had the IPSY Glam Bag previously, and I also had the Allure Box, which I'm still subscribed to. So the IPSY Glam Bag is $12 per month, and it has a lot of minis in there. And the Allure Box is $19 per month, and there's a lot of skincare that I've seen. So far, I've had 2 Allure Boxes, and there have been a lot of good high-end skincare in there. You know, the Allure Box is going up to $23 per month, and they're going to add an additional full-size product in there. So the BoxyCharm is $25 per month, and there is a whole entire eyeshadow palette in here. So it is this eyeshadow palette, Hipdot. So this palette is actually inspired by Utah's sandstone caves. It says connect with these sweeping canyons through the dramatic reds, deep oranges, and rich purples of Zion. It has a really nice story to it. I love it. The packaging is not like amazing, but the colors in here are perfect for fall. And I tried this palette out on my eyes, so I have created this look on my eyes with this palette. So I just want to quickly tell you what I have on my eyes, and I just want to come in closer. So on my crease here, I think I have this one called Mystery, and then over here on the base of my eyelid, I have this one called Grounded, and then the shimmery one is Angel's Landing, which is right here. And then I put 2 shades up here to kind of blend everything in, which was this Maze one and this Sandstone one. And what is super great and interesting about this palette is that it is super consistent. I was able to use a brush for the shimmery shadows and the matte shadows, and there was pretty much no fallout. I did see a little bit of the shimmery shadows on my lashes, but I did not see any fallouts underneath my eyes over here in this area. So I was quite surprised that the shimmery shadows look so great with the brush, because sometimes you have to use your fingers to make the shimmery shades work. So the fact that this was easily applicable with a brush, I think it was great. So the formula of these shadows in here is really great. This is a really good palette, and it is valued at, I believe, $30 is what it said. Yes, Hipdot Zion eyeshadow palette is valued at $30, and the BoxyCharm is $25 per month. And these shades are so pigmented and deep. They are perfect for fall, and there are 4 shimmer shades out of the total 15 shades in this palette. And what's so great about this box is I also got brushes. So they're a little dirty because I used the brushes that they provided to create the eyeshadow look. And these brushes are so soft. The bristles are like, ugh, just super soft, and the brushes are valued at $18. It is, I believe, it said something about Latina. Oh, and actually the brushes came in this bag. It's called Luna Magic Beauty with a Latina Vibe. These do look like painter's brushes. I mean, I'm not sure if I like the colors. They are cute colors, but they totally feel like your artist brushes that you would use for paintings. But absolutely love the bristles. They are super, super soft. I had a lot of fun with the eyeshadow palette and using these brushes. So thumbs up for both of these things. So 2 of these things together, one is $30, one is $18, is already your BoxyCharm is worth it. Now, some of the other products are in here was this lipstick, which I do have on my lips. Now this lipstick it applied very like creamy and satiny, but I did a little smooch to see how much would come off, and this is how much came off. So it is not as satiny looking as it was before, but it is in this really cute container. Oh, I have lipstick all over my hands. It's in this really cute container, which like you press it on this side and, oh wait, no, you press it on this side and it pops out, and the shade is called Te Amo, which makes sense because it is so red. So it's the color of love. And what's interesting about this lipstick is it's covered with this almost magenta shimmery glitter, but when you apply it, it goes away. And so it applies not metallic, as you can see, and it applies red, whereas the shimmery stuff makes it look like it's magenta. It's an interesting lipstick, interesting packaging. I'm not too crazy about it. Sometimes, I don't know, packaging like this makes me feel like you're working too hard, and I'm not sure if I want to pay for packaging like that. I just want a really good lipstick in a nice container, but it doesn't need to be all creative and like this. That's just my personal choice. But it's interesting. I'll have to do a wear test on this lipstick to see how it wears for a couple of hours, and I will do that on my Instagram stories. So make sure you check out my Instagram at Lipstick Amour, where I do wear tests in my stories and then I highlight them so they're always there on my profile. All right, so besides the lipstick, there are 2 creams in here. One is a hand cream by Lavido. It's called Inspired by Nature, and it's a strong smell. And it's a very it's kind of like a smell that you'll smell when you walk into a body shop. I had applied it on my hands before. It's not like super moisturizing or anything special. I would say it's just your basic hand cream that you could buy at a drugstore or a body shop, and is valued, I think, at $14. So it does have shea butter and plant-based hyaluronic acid. It does absorb nicely into the hands, so my hands do not feel greasy or anything like that. They feel good. The last thing in here is this vitamin C. It's by Farmacy CHEER UP Brightening Vitamin C Eye Cream with acerola cherry. And this is valued at $45. It is made exclusively for BoxyCharm. That's what it said there. So, I mean, it's just a cream with vitamin C in it. I'm not sure why it would be worth $45. I don't, yeah. This is what it looks like. I think it's a glass bottle. I think it's a glass container. And here is the cream, and it basically smells like your typical cream. Yeah, if that makes sense. Like, it's your typical cream smell. There's nothing like amazing fragrance, or there's also nothing off-putting. It is your pretty basic cream smell. So that's it for BoxyCharm. So there it is. This was my September BoxyCharm. I was super excited about it because it was my first BoxyCharm, and I am super pleased with the eyeshadow palette and the brushes. They made it for me for the box. The creams and the lipstick, they weren't like all crazy amazing. Yeah, I was not too impressed by the lipstick or the creams, but the eyeshadow palette and the brushes were really nice. So I would give it 2 out of 5 products I liked. We'll see how October's BoxyCharm works out. I have also been thinking about the Fun box. So let's see how the BoxyCharm boxes are for the next couple of months, and maybe I'll still keep BoxyCharm or perhaps move on to Fun. I would love to know what kind of boxes you guys are subscribed to. Let me know in the comments below, because it is just much more fun when you try out a new box. It's exciting. So I don't mind unsubscribing from some boxes to try out new ones. So in the comments below, tell me what other boxes are you subscribed to, or if you are subscribed to BoxyCharm, IPSY, and Allure, which one do you like the most? Thank you so much for watching. I really enjoyed showing you guys the September BoxyCharm, and like the video if you liked it, and leave me some comments, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Thank you. Bye.